Enjoy. Resolution ఏంటి? 100% you are responsible for your life. Okay, and 100% you are responsible for your success. Okay, చెడు ఏమన్నా వదిలేస్తున్నాం మనం. Okay, only we are learning good things. If you are